All right, Ed.
Susie. I'm going to do a tape diagram question.
Okay.
We've started
All right,
last
got a
week.
little lesson for us, right?
Right, I
All
do.
right.
And I enjoy these. Again, part of the Common Core is to be able to think outside the box, solve problems in visual manners. And one of the topics that's often discussed within the Common Core is these aspect of tape diagrams. And we did a couple recently on the show. But I just want to review real quick what a tape diagram is. It's the ability to use a drawing that looks like a segment of tape. And that will illustrate number relationships, promote reasoning, and independence through drawings. You can get creative. Now, we did a couple of these questions last time. Let me go here. Okay. So I actually have a couple of tape diagrams up here, very simple. Let's read the question. Again, I always emphasize when you got these word problems, and our whole life is about word problems. We should read the whole question first and then go back and break it down. So let's read through this problem. Daryl has 5 times as many toy trucks as Ann. Okay, they have 42 toy trucks altogether. How many trucks does each child have? All right, so Daryl and Ann we're playing with these toy trucks. So Daryl has 5 times as many. So obviously that tape segment is 5 times as long. Okay, Ann has not quite as many as Daryl. So let's break this up. If he has 5 times as many, we need to break this up. Hopefully it's pretty good into 5 segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here's Ann. Now actually, up here in our picture, the tape diagram, we have 6 segments. We got Daryl's 5 and Ann's 1. Now the reason we want the total is because in the question itself, they talk about the total, how many toy trucks they have altogether. Well, I would like to know how many are in each segment. Once I know how many are in each segment of these tapes, well, then I can figure out how many trucks each child has here. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 segments, 42 trucks. So let's do some basic math. We'll do 6 into 42. And that should tell us how many are in each segment. Okay, well, if we know our times tables, 6 goes into 42 7 times. No remainder. Always nice to not have no remainder with certain math problems. So that means in each segment of these tape diagrams, we will put a 7. Now to figure out the total number of trucks is simple now. We could add 7 plus 7 plus 7 5 times, or we could do Daryl's is 5 times 7, which is 35. And Ann just has the 1 segment. She has 5. So to answer the question, and a lot of times on these tests, they want you to write out the answer. Daryl has 35 trucks, while Ann has 7 trucks. Now, sometimes you'll have a teacher, and when this is wise, sometimes they'll want you to check your answer. Well, of course, since we knew there were 42 altogether, we could double check. We could add 35 and 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry our 1 would give us 42. So that would tell us that we did have the correct answer. So again, Daryl has 35 trucks, Ann has 7, and it is illustrated with a drawing or the tape diagrams. Thanks.